What happens when you use apple cider vinegar every day? Apple cider vinegar is a sour liquid made from fermented apple cider. It contains acetic acid that gives it its sour taste. Despite its acidity, apple cider vinegar can actually help balance your body's pH levels when consumed in moderation, contributing to overall health. Furthermore, apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries because it's good for health, and science is finding more evidence to back this up. In today's video, we'll be unwrapping the diverse benefits of apple cider vinegar. Are you excited to uncover the hidden treasure that's been sitting in your kitchen cupboard? Get ready for a journey into the realm of natural goodness as we pull back the curtain on an age-old secret that's been transforming health for generations. So, buckle up, folks. Let's jump right in and discover 10 amazing ways apple cider vinegar can boost your well-being. Number 1. Has antibacterial properties. Apple cider vinegar has natural antibacterial properties. Throughout history, people have used apple cider vinegar to clean and sanitize things. It's thought to fight against lice, warts, fungus, and harmful germs. Long ago, vinegar was even applied to heal wounds. That is because the special acid in vinegar stops bacteria from growing. Also, vinegar helps keep food fresh. One study, published in the Journal of Antimicrobial Agents and Chemotherapy in 2018, found that apple cider vinegar was effective in inhibiting the growth of E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Candida albicans. In a lab test, apple cider vinegar even wiped out Enterococcus faecalis, a bacteria that can cause serious gut infections. Lastly, this vinegar also removes bad odors and can replace artificial sprays that get rid of food smells. What you need to do is mix some apple cider vinegar with water and create your own natural deodorizing spray. Number 2. Aids in weight loss. A study from 2009, published in the Nutrition Research Journal, discovered that apple cider vinegar made the metabolism of overweight adults go faster by around 4%. The study also found that this vinegar made the participants less hungry and eat less food. Also, another research published in the journal Bioscience, Biotechnology, and Biochemistry in 2009 showed that people who included apple cider vinegar in their low-calorie diet managed to shed more weight than those who followed the same diet without the vinegar. This research went on for 12 weeks, and the participants took about 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar each day. They also felt less hungry compared to those who didn't have any vinegar. Then, how should you use the vinegar? You can mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with water to make it gentler for your stomach. Still, some people might not handle apple cider vinegar well, which could lead to feeling sick, so you need to be careful. Overall, vinegar can help control your hunger and make you eat fewer calories, which can help you lose stubborn belly fat. But remember, it's not a magic trick for losing weight. You still need a healthy diet. Number 3. Makes hair healthy. A study from 2015 titled The Effects of Apple Cider Vinegar on Hair Health shows that apple cider vinegar can make your hair smoother, shinier, and easier to manage. Just rinse your hair with apple cider vinegar. This will help it become smoother and shinier. It can also help untangle your hair by getting rid of harmful things. Just mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 1 part water, or you can start with a weaker mix at first to let your hair get used to it. Before we proceed to the next benefit, please show your support by liking and subscribing. This way, you'll stay updated with similar content in the future. Thank you. Number 4. Good for the skin. Apple cider vinegar can work well for your skin, like fancy creams but cheaper. In 2015, a research called How Apple Cider Vinegar Affects Skin Health got published in the journal Skin Research and Technology. This research was done by scientists from the University of California. They worked with 20 people who often get acne. After the research was done, the scientists saw that the people who used apple cider vinegar had better skin, less acne, and their skin was more flexible compared to the people who didn't use it. Moreover, aside from acne, this vinegar is known to help with eczema and other similar skin problems. It can bring your skin's natural balance back too. Just mix vinegar in a toner or face wash and use it to clean your face regularly. But be careful, because using vinegar on your face could have side effects. Talk to an expert first before you try it. Number 5. Lowers blood sugar levels. High sugar levels in your blood can cause many serious health issues, like type 2 diabetes, nerve damage, and problems with your eyes, kidneys, or heart. A study in the Nutrition and Metabolism Journal in 2004 discovered that having 20 grams of apple cider vinegar mixed with 40 milliliters of water and a small amount of saccharin could decrease blood sugar after eating. Another study in the Diabetes Care Journal in 2007 found that taking 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before sleeping helped control blood sugar levels in the morning. Having apple cider vinegar for 8 to 12 months can noticeably lower sugar levels in your blood. Also, those who use vinegar with their meals had lower levels of a certain type of fat. A review of other studies found that taking vinegar after a meal with lots of carbs can make your body respond better to insulin, dropping your sugar levels and insulin reaction by around 34%. However, if you're already getting treatment for high sugar levels in your blood, it's best to talk to your doctor before using apple cider vinegar as a remedy. Number 6. Aids in digestion. Apple cider vinegar is a natural and acidic substance. If you have problems with low stomach acid, using apple cider vinegar could help you. It's like a natural gut helper that makes good bacteria in your stomach grow. Having lots of good belly bacteria makes your digestion work really well. Apple cider vinegar also makes more stomach acid, which helps break down food and stops your stomach from feeling too full. You can try putting 1 spoonful of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drinking it 20 minutes before you eat. It's best if you used unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. You might not like how it tastes, but it could be good for your body. Number 7. Cures sore throat. Apple cider vinegar's germ-fighting ability helps beat throat bacteria and heal a sore throat. Here's what you need to do. Mix a teaspoon of vinegar in a cup of water and gargle it a few times daily. If you don't like the taste, you can combine it with honey, lemon, or green tea. Remember, don't just use vinegar on its own because it might hurt your throat. Let's check out the other 2 simple vinegar sore throat remedies. First, warm water with a green tea bag, and then add 1 to 2 teaspoons of vinegar and lemon juice. If that doesn't appeal to you, try option 2. Blend 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of vinegar in warm water. Gargle this mix until your throat improves. Number 8. Increase levels of good cholesterol. High cholesterol and triglycerides, or fat levels in your blood, can cause a series of heart issues, including heart attacks. A few studies suggest that apple cider vinegar might help lower these levels, reducing the risk of heart attacks. Researchers from the University of Osaka in Japan conducted a study. In the study, people followed a diet with fewer calories for 12 weeks. The outcome of the 12-week study revealed that those who used apple cider vinegar for weight loss did better than those who didn't. Additionally, their levels of good cholesterol, known as HDL, went up. Other studies on animals also showed good signs that vinegar could lower cholesterol. However, more research is necessary to be sure about these findings. Number 9. Clears the stuffy nose. Apple cider vinegar has a lot of potassium, which makes mucus thinner and helps with stuffy noses and pressure in the sinuses. A study in 2011 called Anti-Inflammatory Effects of Apple Cider Vinegar in a Rat Model of Chronic Inflammation discovered that ACV can decrease swelling in the sinuses. If you have sinusitis, apple cider vinegar can be helpful. The vinegar's acetic acid stops bacteria from making your nose stuffy. To use it, mix a little bit of apple cider vinegar with warm water. You can drink it or breathe in the steam. Breathing in steam might need more steps. You need a little bit of vinegar and water in a pot. Make it hot until it steams. Then turn off the heat and get a towel. Put the towel around your neck, lean over the pot, and breathe in the steam. Do this a few times until you can breathe better and the infection is gone. Number 10. Fights bad breath. No one likes bad breath. It can make people think poorly of you when they meet you. Even your work and love life might be affected by it. Can apple cider vinegar help? Yes, it can. Because of its ability to balance the acid levels and its germ-fighting qualities, apple cider vinegar fights bad breath effectively. It gets rid of the germs causing the bad odor. You can give it a try after brushing your teeth in the morning. About 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water should suffice. Gargle with it each morning, and your friends and coworkers will appreciate it. But remember, don't use it for gargling more than once a day because it might harm your tooth covering. Did you see how important apple cider vinegar is? It brings lots of good health effects, like cleaning your body and skin and aiding with diabetes and cholesterol. Value and use it more. Now, if you like this video, press the like button and follow our channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching.